What's up guys, welcome back to another video. On this one we are going to be looking at liquidity. We are going to be focusing mainly on sell side and buy side liquidity, and we're also going to be looking at old lows and old highs. To do this, we are going to start this video by looking at swing points, because swing points will help us identify where our liquidity is resting in the chart, and by doing this we'll be able to know where our liquidity is on the chart. So what is swing points and how do we identify a swing point on the chart? Here we have a swing low. Why? Because we have a low here and we have higher low at the left side of it and higher low at the right side of it. Whenever we have something like this, we can say that this is a swing low. Similarly here we have a high and we have a lower high to the left and a lower high to the right. If we have something like this, we can say that we have a swing high. To understand the point of this, we have to look at the psychology of traders. Traders who are going to be entering a long position here will be placing their stop loss on this swing low or below this swing low. Similarly, traders who are going to be placing a sell position here will be placing their stops on this swing high or above this swing high. Because of this, we have a sell stop orders resting on this swing low, and we have a buy stop orders resting on this swing high. Because of this, you can say that here is a sell side liquidity. Similarly here, because of the buy stop orders, you can say that here is our buy side liquidity. Smart money will pay orders sitting below here or above this space. Haven't understood that? Let's look at the chart and see how we can identify a swing point on the chart and use it to easily know where our liquidity is resting. Looking at this 4-hour price action, let's also mark out our important highs and lows. Here we have our recent swing low. Why? Because we have a higher low to the right and a higher low to the left, and then we can say that this is our sell side liquidity. Similarly here we have our swing high here. As you can see, we have a high, lower high to the left and lower high to the right. Whenever you have something like this, you can say that we have a buy side liquidity. Looking at this chart closely, as you can see, we are now creating another swing high here. Why? Because we have a high, lower high to the right and lower high to the left, and we can say that this is our buy side liquidity. If we continue playing this, as you can see, this high has been taken out and we have another high, but we can't say that this is our swing high because we don't have the confirmation yet. Our confirmation is if we eventually get another lower high to the right, because we have gotten the first confirmation, which is a lower high to the left. So if we continue playing, you can see we can move our buy side liquidity to here. So this is our recent swing point, a swing high on the chart. Similarly, on this downside, you can see this low has been taken out. We are recently making another swing point, but the swing point is yet to be confirmed. We are anticipating a new higher low to the right. If we play again, you can see you can easily move our sell side liquidity to this point. So this is our recent sell side liquidity and our buy side liquidity. If we continue playing again, and you can easily see that we have another swing high here. Why? Because we have a high, lower high to the right and lower high to the left. This is how you can easily identify a swing point on the chart. If we continue playing, you can see this high has been taken out. This high has been taken out. and we have recently created a new swing low here. And because this low did not take out our previous swing low, we can say that this is a equal swing point, and we can easily call both of them our sell side liquidity. Because this size has been taken out, we are now making another swing high, but we are yet to confirm it. If we get another lower high to the right, we can say that this is our recent swing high. If we continue playing like this, you can see we have another high, and this our swing high has also been taken out, but also is yet to confirm that this is our recent swing point. Why? Because we only have a high but no lower high to the right. If we continue playing, then you get a lower high right now, and we can easily move our high to be on this point, our swing high to be on this point. Right now, let us focus mainly on the most important swing high and swing lows on the chart, which is this recent swing lows and this swing high. We continue playing. This high has been taken out already. We continue playing. You can see we have this high being taken out, and you can also say that we have a swing low right here. Can call it is our swing low. And if you look closely, we have another high being created. We are yet to confirm if we should call this our buy-side liquidity. As you can see, it continues, and and we can easily say that this is our buy-side liquidity. And right now, you have another swing low right here. Here is our recent sell side liquidity. And right now, you can see we can move our swing high to this high. Why? Because we have a high, lower high to the left, and lower high to the right, and it eventually continues like that. The next thing we are going to be looking out for is the type of liquidity we have, which is our old highs and old lows, and relatively equal highs and equal lows. So whenever we have something like this, swing lows that are relatively equal or that are close together, we can say that this is a relatively equal low, and we can say that this is our sell side liquidity. We can call both of them a sell side liquidity. Similarly, when we have a swing high that are closer together like this, you can say that this is relatively equal high, or you can say that both are our buy side liquidity. And our old lows and old highs are swing points that that stand out like this one and this one, or this one, and we can say that this is our old lows and old high. Because I haven't understood that, let us look at important area that I mark out on my chart, and we can also do so because they are very important. One of the most important swing points that I mark out on the chart is previous week highs and lows. For instance, this is on my Tuesday low and Thursday high right here. Why? Because I can easily use this to map out a liquidity or frame reversal. If we play this, you can see that price eventually comes back to this fair value gap, and if we play this chart again, it continues going up from there. This is very important to know where your last week highs are and your last week lows are located. You can easily make use of it. It can be effective. The next area that I have marked out on my charts are my previous day high and lows. As you can see, I have my previous day low marked out and my previous day high marked out right here. As you can see, price eventually break and continues moving to the upside the next day. The next 7 point that I always have marked out on my chart are session highs and low. These are very important, and I make use of it every time. So as you can see, I have a Asian low marked out here and Asian high also being marked out here. London low and London high, New York low and New York high. These are areas that I can use to easily map up my liquidity and frame a reversal. Let us look at this example and see how our session lows and high can be effective in our trading. Let us see how it works out. Here we have our Asian low being taken right here, and we have our Asian high over here, and similarly here we have our London high, and down here we have our London low. All of them has not been reached. Our London low, London high, and Asian high price has not gotten there. Let us play this chart and see how we can make use of this. If we continue playing, as you can see, we have our London high being taken. If we continue playing, it's like we have a little pullback, but we keep on playing. As you can see, you have our Asian high being taken right here. So right now, what I'm looking for is displacement to the downside, that may take out this low, or maybe a continuation from this point to the upside. As you can see, we have a very good displacement here because this low has been taken out. Let us play this chart again and see if you can get a nice setup. And right here, as you can see, we have some sort of a fair value gap right here. If we continue playing, as you can see, price comes back to the fair value gap, and it has failed to close above the fair value gap. Continues going down. And over here, as you can see, we have another fair value gap right here. And let's see what the price does. Continue playing. Price comes back to the fair value gap, and finally took out this London session low. So this is how you can make use of your session highs and lows to map out your area of interest for trade reversal or a continuation to the upside using liquidity and swing points on the chart. If we go over to the next day, we can have our previous day high mark out, and also mark out our previous day low. Also, as you can see, we have our Asian high and Asian low right here. So if we continue playing, this chart, let's see if we can have a nice trade setup. And right now, like I said, you can also come down to this Asian session low to take it out, and that is what is happening right now. As you can see, after taking out the Asian session low, we had a displacement to the upside, taking out this high with a presence of a 5-minute fair value gap right here. So let's see if price respect this fair value gap. As you can see, price is expecting this fair value gap, and we are also taking out our London session high. So the next high that we have, you can be targeting from here is our previous day high, so which is somewhere here. We can be targeting this high, and for me, you can also take partial profit. Like say you entered on this fair value gap, you can also take a partial profit on this London session high. So but you can target this previous day high. As you can see, price is going, and it eventually took out this previous day high. And will eventually continue to the upside. So that is all for liquidity and sell side and buy side liquidity. If you find any value on this video, please make sure you subscribe to the channel, and also make sure you give this video a like and turn on the notification icon so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video.